Welcome back, audience. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a quiz using Google Forms. Open Chrome browser, search Google Form, or you can open through your Google account, or I can say Gmail site. Click on blank form to create a new form. We can title our form from upper side simple quiz. This is best for our quiz. You can add description. For making this form as a quiz, check this option. Set 1 mark or 1 point for each question. Go to questions. First question is 2 plus 2 is equal to 22. Jokes apart. Create options 1, 44, 22, 4. Make answer key. 4 is the answer for the first question. Make it required. One more question. 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. Create options 25, 45, 60, 50. Answer key is 50. Click on done. Add one more question. Third question is about 15 multiplied by 3 is equal to, and then underscore and question mark. Option 1 is 43. Option 2 is 45. Option 3 is 55. Option 4 is 65. Answer key is 45. Click on done. Make it required. Now it's time to preview our quiz. Our quiz looks like this. Publish our quiz. We can simply share the link of quiz with the students. Paste the link and you can answer the question. First 4, second 50, third is 45. Click on view score and finally we can also customize our quiz. We can change colors, we can change multiple types of settings, we can make our quiz favorite, we can collect emails, limit to 1 response, progress bar, shuffle question order. After submission, we can display different type of confirmation messages and other settings also. Change according to your situation or use. Tech beyond expectations. Thanks for watching.